उपराष्ट्रपति जगदीप धनखड़ का जयपुर का दौरा। आईएएस यूनिवर्सिटी में आयोजित हो रहा है कार्यक्रम।
Dr. Ashok Gupta, he wears several hats. I share one with him, the Rotary Connect, the four-way test. And in the world of Rotary globally, he is highly acclaimed for his service to humanity. I congratulate him. What he has done in the field of education is remarkable and a satisfying moment for him and others working in this direction. Professor T.N. Mathur, Vice Chancellor, IIS, 4 decades of experience in the Rajasthan University, my alma mater. He brings on the table commitment, directional approach. Nothing happens in the university, any university, without registrar. Registrar and general secretary are equivalent. You have to keep them on the right side always to be on the right track. As chairman Rajya Sabha, when I sit in my chair, on the right side is the government, on the left side is the opposition. Distinguished people in the audience, but I'll salute one, General Amit Mathur, because I happen to be from Sainik School, Chittorgarh. I know there are very distinguished people, but this one connection makes our relationship a little different, and I'm sure others will appreciate. Distinguished members of the faculty and my dear students, because I'm here for you today. Dr. Ashok Gupta has chosen a subject that has 3 facets. First is women, related to Viksit Bharat. The second aspect is also equally important, and that is role of women and education. I'll first start with Viksit Bharat. Friends, most do not understand the contours of Viksit Bharat. We are aspiring for a Viksit Bharat at 2047. A great marathon march is on for it. All stakeholders are converging. Already, in last few years, we have come to a very high level. We are the 5th largest global economy on the planet. In next 2 years, we will be ahead of Japan and Germany to be the 3rd. We are the 3rd largest purchasing power in the world. We are most vibrant, functional democracy on the planet. Then what is that Viksit Bharat we are looking for? Globally, Viksit Bharat has not been defined. Viksit nation has not been defined. But you have to read into it through several mechanisms. And one is per capita income. We have to take our per capita income 8-fold to give Bharat the status of a developed nation. And for that, some fundamentals are required. And one fundamental is, do we have the right ecosystem? The first element of ecosystem is hope and possibility. Now we are living in an environment of hope and possibility. There is a mechanism in place where every individual can exploit his or her talent and potential to realize aspirations and dreams. And for that, two things were required. One, equality before law. Equality before law, the provided by the Constitution, had eluded us for long.